Hello students, this is Ms. Halima, your teacher, and today we're going to be working on PowerPoint presentations. So we are going to start by going to my website, click on the third grade page, and our lesson is PowerPoint skills. If it asks you for the password, you remember it's SCHAL. Click login, and you are in today's lesson. So we're going to create a PowerPoint presentation using PowerPoint. Your presentation will be on your favorite animal. Please follow the directions below. First thing we need to do is start the software, PowerPoint. We're going to go to the desktop and look for an icon that looks like this one. Remember when we were working on Microsoft Word, we were looking for a blue icon that had a white W in it. This time we want a red icon that has the letter P. So I'm going to minimize my browser. I'm going to go to the desktop. Here's the little icon I'm looking for. I'm going to click on it 2 times to start the software. Okay, now I have 2 options. I can either start with a blank presentation or I can choose one of the templates that are provided for me. I am going, and I have quite a few options here. I am going to go with this one. And I think I like the color green, so I'm going to click on that and I will say create. Here is the first step and my presentation has been created. Where it says click to add title, I'm going to add the name of my favorite animal, and in my case, it will be a ladybug. I think I'm going to start with a capital L because it's a title. And where it says click to add subtitle, I'm going to add my name by Ms. Halima. Okay, so here I have created my very first slide. Now I am going to add a slide to my presentation. So I will go to the Home tab. I will create the new slide option and I will choose one of these and I will choose this one. In my second slide, I am going to add a picture of the favorite animal of the ladybug. And to do that, it looks pretty much, I'm going to go to the Insert tab and click on Online Images. It's just like what we did with Microsoft Word. So I will click Insert, Online Pictures. And I am going to write here ladybug. I'm going to search for a picture. Okay, so here are my options. I think it's still loading some more. I'm going to scroll down. I like this one here. I'll click on it to select it, and then I'm going to say Insert. And here is the picture of a ladybug. Now, this is way too big. I want it to be a little smaller. So to make it smaller, I'm going to click on my picture to select it, and I get these points at the edges. If I drag this one in, I'm distorting my picture, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to choose one of the corner points. I'm going to drag it in, click and drag it in. That's making my picture smaller. I'm going to place it in a nicer place there, center it sort of in my page. And here's my second slide. So I've created a presentation with 2 slides so far. This is my first slide. It has my title and my name. And my second slide has a picture of my favorite animal. Now I need to save my work. And to save it, I will do just what I was doing when I was saving my work in Microsoft Word. I'm going to go to File, click Save As, because it's the first time I'm saving my work. I'm going to save my work on the desktop, so I'll click on the desktop. It's already given a name, which is the title of my presentation. I can leave that, I don't mind. I'm just going to add my name at the end. Ms. Halima, so that I know it's mine. And then I'm going to click Save. Okay, so now I can exit out of here. And if I've done this right, I should have my presentation on the desktop. And here it is. If I click on it again twice, it will start PowerPoint for me. And This should be my presentation. Here it is. Okay? So this is as far as we're going to go today. Now it's your turn to give it a try.